'06 Nissan Altima. We got a eBay cold air intake, eBay header, Amazon muffler, and just installed 2J Racing aluminum crank pulley. 0 to 60, 0 to 100. If you want to see any of those install vids or any of the previous pull videos, check out the Altima playlist on my channel. Bumpy road, but I'm going to try a little kick down here real quick. So she definitely pulls a little harder with that pulley on there. That's probably the most wheel spin I've ever got, honestly. Takes off quite a bit quicker. So I'm thinking next I'm going to do the, balancer shaft delete. It's supposed to free up some more power. So I potentially, most likely have that coming up next. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe, click the bell, hit all to be notified when I post. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like button for me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.